So guys, I love this so much. You know it. Wait, papakita natin yung ginamit kong sangkap, okay? Ito po yung ginamit natin sangkap. Ito. Okay, bye-bye. English. And this guys, oh. This is Ate Wendy. So we're gonna eat some food. Oh, and this is here. We're gonna add some peanut.
Melon?